How to change Signal chat wallpaper. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're using Signal and want to customize your chat wallpaper, firstly open up the Signal application on your smartphone. Once you're inside the home page of Signal, go ahead and open the conversation you want to customize. It can be an individual conversation or a group. Now, once you're inside the conversation page, tap on the name of the group or the contact's name at the top, and on the next page, click on Chat Color and Wallpaper. Now click the Set Wallpaper button at the bottom and choose a wallpaper from the available collection, and it will preview you how your wallpaper looks. You can also go ahead and upload your own photo. Click on Choose from Photos. It will take you to your camera roll. Now select the photo you want for your wallpaper and you'll be able to preview your wallpaper. You can choose the photo to be blurred by tapping on Blur Photo from the bottom. Now, after you are happy with the wallpaper, click on the check mark at the top right and you can get back to the conversation page and you'll see your wallpaper changed. So that's it. You've successfully changed your Signal wallpaper. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.